welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna make this intro very short because I need to get these braids out. As you can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing taking my braids out after 2 months and like a few days. And yeah, this is how my hair looks now. Very dull. I have a lot of new growth in my hair. This is how it looks. So what I did, the front doesn't look like it has too much hair growth because I did refresh my braids after like a month and a half, but the back I didn't. So the back looks awful. This is how it looks now. Let me stop chatting. Let me take these out because I'm sick of these braids already. By the way, I'm going to be saving the hair, so I'm not cutting the hair, just because I don't know when I'm going to get the next set of hair. So yeah. I can't do this no more. I'm cutting them. So I got my scissors and I'm about to cut my hair because I couldn't do it. Y'all know that meme when she was like this? We gonna cut all the way down here just in case. Knowing her hair is all the way up here. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cut it to like right here. My hair's not this long. Just in case. Just in case. Okay, we getting somewhere. A few months ago I dyed my hair like a light brown, and I'm going to see how much my hair grew because you can tell like the light brown is at the bottom and then the new growth is at the top. So I cannot wait to see how long my hair grew. I've been on a hair care journey, I guess, and I've been buying different oils, different like healthy things for my hair to grow faster and longer and healthier. Look at that new growth. I'm shook. The back was kind of shorter because it was cut. The front was longer, and it's getting healthy again, and I'm like about to cry. So we shall see how it looks in a few more months, because I told you I'm going through this healthy hair journey process. This hair, I'm over it now. So as you guys can see, I'm done taking out my hair. A lot of build up, a lot of new growth, a lot of everything. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me taking out my hair and looking at my new growth and the build up and all that other stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will probably be like a curly hair routine or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, see y'all in my next video.